In this video, I'm going to go over the outdoor power equipment that's going to be included in the upcoming parking lot sale coming up here in March. You're going to be able to save 20% off on all Atlas, Bauer, and Portland outdoor power tools. So it does not include Predator. They do show a Portland chainsaw as well as the Bauer electric power washer and an Atlas mower. I'll go over some of the options that they have available here. That's going to be part of the 20% off deal. Clearly, the one that they show in the picture is the Bauer 1800 PSI 1.2 gallon electric power washer. That's normally priced at $100, so you'd be able to pick it up for 80, which obviously is not going to be the best deal we've seen because they've had deals as low as like $60. But they do have other Bauer power washers available that are much larger. So they have a 2000 PSI one, and it's 1.3 gallon per minute. That's normally priced at 190. They have a 2300 PSI power washer with a 1.2 gallon per minute rating, and that's normally priced at $250 for that. Then they have the Bauer 3000 PSI. It's 1.1 gallon per minute, and that is normally priced at $380. So those power washers, you'd be able to save the 20% on each of them. And these Atlas items would be included as well. So for example, they have the Atlas 6-inch auger with a dual flute auger bit, which is a 6-inch one. It does say you can do 54 holes on a single charge. And this is going to be tool only. And this is normally priced at $290. So save 20% on that. Then they have an Atlas 10-inch cordless cultivator. That's the 80 volt. It has 10-inch tilling width and 5-inch tilling depth. Also tool only, and that's normally priced at $180. And they have different blower options to choose from the Atlas 80 volt blower. That's normal price is $75. They have the Portland electric vacuum blower. That's normally priced at $50. Then they have the power cord version of the Bauer blower. That's normally priced at $77. Or you can go with the 20 volt Bauer jet fan blower. That's normally priced at $55. So those you'd be able to save 20% on. In which, if you're going to go for the Bauer one, I recommend going for the one with the kit that has a 5 amp hour battery and the 2 amp charger for $100. So you'd be able to pick that up for $80 then. Another Atlas option is on an 8-inch cordless edger. So if you have a lot of sidewalks or driveway, you can do some edging with this. It does have the brushless motor to it, and that retail price is normally $140. Another Atlas option is on the hedge trimmer. That's a 24-inch one, and it's normally priced at $58. And they have a Portland hedge trimmer that's a 22-inch electric one, so you need an extension cord with that. That retails at $38. Then they have the Bauer option 20-volt one, heavy-duty 20-inch dual action blade of the hedge trimmer, and that's normally priced at $55. And if you're looking to get a chainsaw, they have many different options from Portland, Atlas, and Bauer. And I'll go over some of the options they have. They do have the Portland 14-inch chainsaw that's normally priced at $50, which currently it is on a ITC deal at $40, saving $10. They have the Portland 42cc 2-stroke 18-inch gas chainsaw that's normally priced at $185. And they have the Bauer 16-inch electric chainsaw that's rated at 14.5 amp, and that's retail price is at $75. Then they do have a 20 volt compact cordless chainsaw. It is tool only, and that's normally priced at $85. And they even have the little handheld Bauer mini chainsaw. It's a 4 3/4 inch cutting diameter. So it's a 5-inch pruning saw, and that's normally priced at $65. And then they have one more available, which is the Atlas 18-inch cordless chainsaw, and it is a 80 volt one, and that's normally priced at $150. And they have a couple different pole saw options as well. Actually, it's 4 different pole saws that they do have. They just don't have them all on display here. So the Atlas one, which is a 10-inch pole saw, that retails for $90. The Bauer 8-inch cordless 20 volt pole saw retails for $90 as well, which is weird, it being the same price as the Atlas one. Then they have an Atlas 40 volt version. It's currently on clearance here at this store, so I'm not sure what it will be at your store, but it's $55 here. Then they have a Portland 7 amp 9.5-inch corded pole saw for $60. Another Atlas option is going to be on the 40 volt 20-inch pole hedger. That retails for $80. And they have a pole hedger by Portland that's normally $70. And they do have some string trimmer options from Portland, Bauer, and Atlas as well. So the Atlas one is a 80 volt 16-inch brushless string trimmer, and this normally retails for $80. They have a small Bauer 20 volt one, and this one retails for $55. and it's a 12-inch string trimmer. Then they have a corded version of the Bauer trimmer, so you need an extension cord with this one. This one is a 15-inch one instead of the 12-inch one that the cordless one is in. And this corded version is retail price at $45. Then they have a small Portland 3.8 amp 13-inch corded string trimmer, and this retails for $33. And here's one other item that would be included in the deal. It's on the Bauer 20-volt handheld hedge trimmer. It does come with one shearing blade as well as a shrubber blade. It does mention for max performance use at least a 3 amp hour battery to that. And this handheld trimmer retails for $40, so you'll be able to save 20% on that. And here is the Atlas 80-volt 21-inch brushless self-propelled mower. So obviously being a 21-inch mower, it does offer a mulch bag and side discharge. And with the wheels, you can adjust them with 7 different heights. It also has a push button start. And this obviously collapses down nice and compact with the handle folding up like it does, which apparently you could set it up on the back wheels and lean it upright, like maybe against a wall or something like that. And this normally retails at $270. And again, it is tool only, so you would have to get a battery and charger if you're not already in the Atlas platform. And here's what the Atlas cultivator does look like. They have one here on display. So that one again is a 80 volt as well, this 10-inch cultivator. And then here is the auger, 80 volt auger, which I have the Ryobi 40 volt one, and it's pretty good. So I imagine this 80 volt one would probably be even better. The thing that's nice about it is you can switch out the auger bits to make it be a larger auger, just depending on what kind of work you're doing. And again, that auger is priced at $290, so it would be an excellent time to save 20% on it. And it does offer 70 foot-pounds of torque, and it has anti-kickback technology in it, which would be very important, especially if you run into rock or tree roots. You want it to stop and not start getting bound up. Now, this one might be a long shot. I don't know if it is considered an outdoor power tool or not, but it probably should be since it's a concrete saw. But they do have this Atlas 80 volt 9-inch brushless cutoff saw. It does only retail at $450. So it would be interesting to know if that would be part of the deal or not. I doubt it, but wishful thinking. Especially if you need a concrete saw. So it does apparently include 2 blades with that. One abrasive blade that would be ideal for rebar and metal, and then a universal diamond blade that'd be ideal for a blocked brick and cured cement. And then let's not forget the little Bauer 20-volt portable power cleaner. I would think this should be considered an outdoor power tool. It is tool only, and it's rated at 320 psi and 0.6 gallon per minute. This also does come with a 20-foot inlet hose. You can run it to a bucket and it'll suck through that and spray it out. It does have a 5-in-1 spray nozzle with that as well. And this does normally retail at $60. And they do have a couple other Portland options as far as outdoor power tools go. And the one option is on the Portland 1750 psi electric power washer. This does normally retail at $90. I'm not sure how good it is, but I would probably lean more towards the Bauer one, in my opinion. And this is another item that should be included, would be on the Portland electric chipper shredder. So you're able to do 1.5-inch diameter capacity. It does come with 6-inch wheels so you can move it around. And it has dual action blades in that chipper. This does normally retail at $140, which currently it is on a deal price for ITC members for $100, which that's going to be a better deal to go for, saving $40 on that if you are an ITC member, which you would have until the 26th of February to get it. And a couple other items I do believe should be included in the mix is on the Bauer chemical fogger. It is a 20-volt one. It does say it covers up to 10,000 square feet per charge. So if you have different chemicals you need to fog in your yard, this should be included in that deal. And this does normally retail at $75. And then they have this other Bauer option on the 20-volt, 1-gallon cordless chemical sprayer, and that retails for $50. So I would think that would be considered an outdoor power tool. All right, that's going to be all the outdoor power tools I'm going to cover in this video. There might be more options available in your store. And again, you'll be able to save that 20% off on all Atlas, Bauer, and Portland outdoor power tools. Yes, it is for the parking lot sale that starts on March 2nd through the 5th for ITC members. Then everyone else is March 6th to the 8th. And if you gain any value from this video, I would appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.